What up, tubers? If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in this box, and this old DOS geek will send you oodles of stuff. Okay, got these apps here from 123apps.com. Awesome stuff. Okay. Honestly, I don't think I'm an affiliate to these guys, but I do find it very, very useful. They got a lot of great tools. Now, a lot of times I take PDFs and I turn them into HTML and I use them as landing pages and so forth, bridge pages, lead capture pages, so forth. Got these PLL rights, private label rights stuff you could do. You could take all the information, you can make a blog out of it. My last videos you might have seen, I'm taking these private label rights stuff, combining it with my affiliate links, making my blog out of it. Okay, informational blogs. We did the thing on tags, so forth. Gotta check it out. Want to ask you to like and subscribe so you can get these videos I'm working real hard to make for you guys, teach you how to do these affiliate sites. Okay, now what I wanted to do was show you how to use this awesome free tool. If it's for free, it's for me. Okay, so I got PDF to HTML, okay, and a bunch of other things. Now what I like to do is I like to take Canva, I'll create a custom size. Okay, now we'll go do like a 960 by 1000. You can do it 1000 across. Should be okay. Let me try it 1000 across. Okay, by 1000 high. Alright, now this is just another form of web design that I discovered is very simple and easy. Okay, you could use one of these. Let me see if I can get a more of a palatable thing here. Okay, I'm gonna do it very quick and very easy. Okay, now if you look here, we're only 50% on the height, so I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger for us here. Okay, so I've got to open my private label rights thing going on here. Okay, and we're gonna go Control C. We're gonna click here. We're gonna Control A, Control V. Boom, that's in there. Okay, and of course Canva, you could change these pictures around. Canva is an excellent product. Okay, you can make this, even if this is going to be a PDF, right? Control A, Control C, copy. Okay, and then I'm going to add a link here. Bada boom, bada boom. Okay, link is added. We're going to add a page. Let's get rid of this. Alright, now I'm going to go into this. Let's see, let's get rid of that. Okay, just an article I was writing. Okay, so we're going to go here now. We're going to take this title. And, like your ebooks, you don't really want them to be huge. Okay, you don't really want them to be huge. Okay, unless it's like a course, like a real course that you're going to teach people something, okay, and they bought it off you. Because the free ebooks, they get what they call, they collect what they call digital dust, okay. So now you want to keep your ebooks really under 20 pages, no more than 20 pages. I wouldn't recommend it. As far as the free giveaway ones, okay. Now I'm just going to do this very quickly, and you can do this any way you want, okay. I'm going to put it here and here. Alright, then we'll add a page. I'm just going to do a couple pages for the sake of keeping this video short, okay? I'm going to go here, and I'll just grab another title. Come in here, Control C for copy. Remember, if you do the mouse click, it's going to tell you that you're going to have to use the keyboard in Canva. Okay, Canva makes you an expert. Control V. Here's my new title. Okay, let's make that a little bit bigger. Let's do position, center. Okay, got that going there. Let's go back to our article. And these articles are fantastic, and they're great for even the SEO, because usually, you know, they're I'll get this down to 24. Okay, usually they're you know, you use them on the website for the SEO. You know, if you get some ones that aren't out there already, then it's original text. Okay, and that's what you need on the SEO is original text. You know, if you're going to be in it for the long run. And of course, I always suggest that you get a website. Always, always, always. Okay. All right. So let's go over here. That looks pretty good already the way it is. Take it a little bit like that. Give that a center. And again, Canva makes you a pro. Okay. Canva makes you a pro. So you can do it this way as well. Okay. If you want to just do a subheading type of thing. There's a couple of different ways you can do it in Canva. Very, very versatile, Canva. I happen to love it, you know. Until I met up with Canva, man, had the creativity of a lettuce leaf, okay? So I'm going to go to center, middle, just keep that there like that. And then, again, for the demonstration of this video, I'm just going to do it real quick. We're going to select download PDF standard. We're going to download it. I had experimented with a couple other files, so we're just going to overwrite them, okay? I'm going to put that right there, overwrite it. Okay, now we're going to go back. We got our PDF. Make sure you remember the location. We're going to go here. Remember, we're on 123 apps. We're going to go to PDF to HTML. We're going to choose the file. And this works phenomenally with all kinds of things. This 123 apps, it's fantastic. It really is. Definitely highly recommend it for all your needs, even if you're not an affiliate marketer, you know. So let's see, it's processing now. What this is going to do, not really sure why, and you don't want to make these PDFs too big either. Otherwise, this process will take quite a bit, you know, to do it. Okay, so we're going to go here. I already got the folder open. I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete this original one that I did. Okay, we're going to go to extract all. And remember, you know, these zip files, you can actually upload them to your site without having to use that FileZilla. Okay, so there you have it. Now, if you look up here, of course, if you look in here, it's now an HTML file. Okay. And what I like to do with these types of articles and stuff is, you know, what I'll do is I'll make this very quickly, and it's a great way to send it to your email list. You can do this very quickly. And rather than giving your email list another ebook to download and ebook to download, and, you know, because they're just going to collect digital dust, okay? So you can see the link works perfectly. All right, so I did that at like 1,000. Let's see my resolution here. Okay. So there's the norm. So, you know, you might want to make it bigger. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Now you're saying why, you know, why do you do this? Again, this is for, you know, you could upload the PDF and have them view it online, but this is for putting content on your website. Okay. And for SEO purposes. Okay. Now, we can take this article right here, and basically what they did was they turned it into like a picture, okay, because all they did was just pictured it up too, okay, so that's great if you got stuff that you don't want people to copy as well, okay, but this is a genuine HTML file that can be loaded up to your blog, it can be loaded up to your website, and mainly for SEO purposes, okay. You know, show more pages, you could backlink it to this page, you can, you know, site link it to the page and stuff like that, you know. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's see if we can do this here. And just do a search. So that's how you can tell. Alright. 7 true. Alright, so, you know, as long as you got, oh, Neil Patel. Okay, so as long as you got original content on your site, you're going to be SEO friendly. Okay. So this is the old DOS Geek. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in this box below, and this old DOS Geek will send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Not to mention, you know, a lot of free stuff for you guys. If you need any help, just send me a message. Leave a comment down in my YouTube channel. Send me an email. Any way you want to do it, okay? I'm here to help you. Take care.